You're going to start to see light industrial in this area. We are next to a major interstate. It is going to be fairly close to some houses. So pay attention. You get one of those notices in the mail, start studying this. But ultimately, the commissioner's got to make some of those decisions, particularly about some of this light industrial they're talking about putting over here around the fire station. So how are you going to approach that, right? You can't talk about anything specific now. You're not on there. You probably haven't looked at these plans. But how are you going to approach those decisions?
Right. Well, hopefully, with the state, most folks may be aware of this. The state kind of put in a provision to a Hurricane Helene relief bill that prevented planning staff from doing any downzoning. So what that's meant for Johnston County is, going through this comprehensive land use process and the new UDO now, the map where you show, the different places you can have the zoning overlays, they can't really do that because of state legislation. But there's been talk about maybe trying to repeal some of that or roll some of that back. But I think that'd be a very important graphic for the commissioners to have as they're planning, what this county is going to look like in 10, 20 years, to have that graphic to look at. Okay, we've zoned this area for this area for that, and to help them make those kind of decisions. But again, going back to something I said earlier about, I really think it's important that for commissioners to be the ones making a lot of those decisions when it comes to, like, say, residential with the subdivisions, because folks need to know that when they show up and voice their concerns or, whatever they have on their mind to a board,